Hi everyone, it's Mr. Weaver, and this is a very quick video. I just want to show you something that I jokingly call squirts. It's when you are putting a screw into a piece of wood and you don't want to go too fast. That's the main thing. So usually when you put a screw in, you want to have a hole drilled already. If you don't, you can quickly drill a hole. That's called pre-drilling, and it helps you so that you don't crack this piece of wood you're going through. And now I want to put a screw in, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the right driver in the bit and put my screw in, holding it firm. What you don't want to do is go full speed, and sometimes kids will go ring and drive it in. You just want to kind of go slow, so you're going to put it on 1 on the drill, and holding firm, shoulder above, I'm just going down slowly, and then I can do squirts. And that gets it so that my screw is flush with the top of the wood, just how I want it. Alternatively, you can also turn the torque down. That's how strong the turn is. That's called torque. And I've kind of tested this out already. Always use a test piece. But now if I want to go, if a kid accidentally grabs the drill and just goes too fast, or maybe they're on 2, it can't go any further because that's its maximum torque. So that kind of helps prevent screwing in too far. So that's it. If you hear me say do a couple squirts, I just mean kind of go slow, then you can stop, and sometimes you can even finish it out with a hand screwdriver. So that's it. You'll do a lot of projects where you might need to use a drill, screw stuff in. Just remember, go slow. That's it.